Hey guys, we're Travis and Tracy of Going With The Flow RV Adventures. We're out here at Gulf State Park in Orange Beach, Alabama, and we're here for the Vanleigh Owners Rally. And so we're going to kind of give you guys a little step-by-step through of our rig, as well as all the new models and the main reasons why we chose Vanleigh. So stay tuned. About to check into the Vanleigh Homecoming Rally. Ought to be exciting, y'all. Good times. They're rolling in steadily too.
They're down in this lot.
Here's the check-in registration.
You guys give me my whole name.
That's how you registered. I'm sorry.
I guess that's because it's my legal name.
You're the second person who said that. Hello.
Hi. Ashley, Sean, Brian.
What's up, bro?
The good people
Hey, darling.
are here.
Hi guys.
How are y'all?
Good.
Is that all there is to it?
Did I give you one of those?
No.
There you
now
go.
You have to go over here and check in.
He is.
Okay, good deal.
So introduce yourself.
Ron and Christy Chris.
Okay. Where are you
Elm,
from?
Alabama.
Where?
Elm, Alabama. It's just south of Birmingham.
All right. What model do y'all have?
2017 325.
All right. What's your favorite part about it?
Staying in it.
Are y'all full time?
No.
Oh.
We'd love to, but not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
And what have y'all liked so far about the rally?
Just the general experience of it. We've learned a few things. It's been nice meeting new people, and you know, just like camping, everybody is super nice, and we really enjoyed it.
All right.
We have Miss Becky Stillions here. Did I pronounce that right?
You did.
She's going to tell us a little bit about her experience here at the rally. What was her best part? And a few other things. So what was your best part about this rally so far?
Meeting all the other Vilano owners, getting to see the ones we saw last year, you know, renewing friendships. We become like a family.
Absolutely.
We really do. It's all about family.
And this is our first time here.
Your first time. We were at the first one.
So we agree. That is probably our best experience here as well, best part. And so what do you own?
We have a 2017 325 RL, number 309, which means it was the 309th one off the assembly line.
Oh, you were one of the early ones.
Yes, we love it.
And what you about that rig? What is the best part about that one that you like?
It's perfect for us. It's my husband and I and our 4 fur babies, and it's a perfect size for us. We looked at a 365, but we settled on a 325. It's perfect. We got the wow factor when we walked in. The first time we stepped foot in it, it wowed us, and we quit looking at other fifth wheels. It was awesome. We love the Vanleigh family. We love the Tiffin family. Personally, their integrity, their family values, everything that's focused on it too. So.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you talking for a minute with us,
Okay.
and enjoy the rest of your time here.
We will. Thank you.
All right. So we have Mr. Lee, one of the owners of the Tiffin Group, the Vanleigh line, specifically. So, Mr. Lee, could you just maybe tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into this?
Sure. So, started Vanleigh about 5 years ago. Actually, talked about that this morning at our owner rally Q&A session. We built our first unit in June of 2015, so it's been almost 4 years. I'm the general manager and I also double as our production manager, so I'm very involved in our daily production activities and what we do at the plant in Burnsville, Mississippi.
Great, great. And so, as far as Vanleigh goes, you're pretty young to do this.
Right.
So
I grew up around the RV industry. My grandfather founded Tiffin Motorhomes in 1972, so almost 50 years ago at this point. And as long as I can remember, I've been seeing RVs built and grew up working summers at Tiffin. I actually went to college at the University of Alabama where I played football. I was a place kicker there, and then went to graduate school at UAB and worked in another industry for a while, and then ended up making my way back to the family business.
that's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Now, as far as what makes Vanleigh set you guys apart?
Well, I think the biggest thing that a customer is going to notice is the intimacy of the relationship with the company and the owner. We're not Keystone, we're not Grand Design or Winnebago. Every owner matters to us in the sense that, we're just not a huge company. And so our connection that we have with our customers, people know us, know me, know our customer service team. Man, our engineering director is here at our rally, and
It's
so
awesome to see that,
it's
too.
very personal, I guess is a good way of putting it. I think that's one thing. With that, though, I think everything we do at Vanleigh is truly derived from our customer. So, it's all we talk about within the company. Is the customer willing to pay for this? Would the customer appreciate this from a quality standpoint? Does the customer perceive the value here or there? And so I really think it all centers around the fact that we have not been a very competitive company. We've been customer centric, and everything we do starts with the customer, and we don't worry too much about the competition. We don't worry too much about anything other than how do we give the customer what they want. We work backwards from that, and that's been kind of our recipe for growth.
Awesome. And where do you see the company going in the next 5 years?
I think we're going to continue to grow into a full line towable manufacturer over time, but we're never going to be the biggest. We're not going to get there the fastest. You know, we're just going to be steady, stick to our core values, and like I said, do what's right for our customer. And I think in the long run, we'll be able to build a great company.
Awesome, man. Well, I'll tell you, Tracy and I sure love our Vilano, and we appreciate all the customer service as well, and that is the main reason that we went with that line.
Fantastic.
With you guys. And so anyways, appreciate you talking to us and taking some time out your day. And
my pleasure.
We'll
Thanks
see you
for the
next
interview.
time. All right, buddy.
All right, guys.
Well, guys, we thoroughly enjoyed this year's homecoming rally with Vanleigh, and we are so excited to come back to next year's. We met so many awesome people here, enjoyed the whole program, and I just want to personally thank Ashley, Sean, Brian, Jeff, Van Tiffin, Lee Tiffin, all of you guys, Jamie, Get Her Done. All you guys especially for putting this together, and we can't wait till next one. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. So appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next time.